With every breath I feel alive. I got a lot, that's why I thrive. Projects that are hard.
Ni hao, peace be upon you and welcome back. Assalamu alaikum guys, Nazad. Here we have another EKSA earbuds products, the EKSA GT1 gaming earbuds guys for 50 bucks. If you want to purchase it, you'll have the buying links in the description of this video. So follow this video till the end to find out my own experience, what I like or dislike about these earbuds. For now, let's jump to my table and see what do we have in this box. Let's go. Okay guys, so let's begin immediately here with the unboxing. This is how the box looks like. It also says here the top 3 features of these earbuds, and then we have some more specification on the back. Let's go. Here we go. This is the full setup. The box itself here, we have the charging cable, Type-C USB charging cable, very short one, small one. We have 2 additional guys, replaceable ear caps, like see myself, big and small. Pre-installed it's always medium so far that I know. Manuals, the GT1 manuals. You can see myself, package content, specification overview, and how to pair. We have the charging case, which is superb. I love this. It looks like a mini space shuttle, guys. And here we have the earbuds. Let me just show you immediately how they look like. For sure, this is a gaming look, guys. Gaming look 100%. If I saw it without even knowing the brand name or the brand model or something like this, I would immediately say that these are probably gaming earbuds. They have like kind of this gaming spirit, gaming look, gaming design, and I love it. I love it here. They did also put EKSA logo on both of them. You can see myself over here. These are on the touch control. They don't have a clickable buttons, but just simple touch control, guys. Very quick. Well, what I love about it, they also have, in the same time, maybe it's a small con. It's going to be a little bit more difficult to take them out from the charging box because they are polished, very, very nicely polished here. And let me just show you. It's a little bit tricky to take them out. It's really tricky. But it's manageable. We're gonna manage it sometimes, yeah, because this surface, it's very polished, it's slidey, you know. Anyway, what I love about it is just check this charging box, bro. It looks amazing. Also, the left and right earbud have their specific separated battery indicators. That is cool. That is seriously cool. Anyway, let's take them out and test them immediately. By the way, the selling points of these earbuds, I would say that also the design is indeed in the selling points of these earbuds. Pattern design, touch control, like I said here, it's not clickable, there's no clickable physical buttons, just touch control. Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, auto pairing, voice assistant, yes, it does have also voice assistant, 38 ms ultra low latency, 30 hours extended playback time, of course everything is fully charged, and splash resistant IPX4 design feature. Remember that of course you can run in the rain, take a shower with them, but don't expect to go and swim into ocean 30 meters below or something like this. Anyway, let's go now. Firstly, what we're gonna do, pair it immediately, and of course we're gonna show you first the touch controls. Let's show you first the touch controls, guys. Then I'm gonna move to the living room and show you how they look like in my ears and do first the sound review. Of course, the most important thing, isn't it? The audio review. Here we go. We're gonna use one single earbud. So guys, one single touch, it will pause the audio. One single touch again, it will resume. Again, one single touch, pause, one single touch again, resume. That's it, simple like that. 2 times quickly to tap. It will be interchanging between 2 different modes. The music and gaming mode, guys. Let me try to bring it close so you can catch it on the microphone. First, I'm gonna just, let's go. I hope you can hear that. Game mode. There you go. So game mode and music mode, and another function, the last function is 3 times quick. In that time, you're gonna enable the voice assistant, guys. So you can see myself the voice assistant, it works normally. Again. Beautiful, perfect. The touch controls here is very sensitive, very reliable so far. Maybe sometimes out of 10 misses, you're gonna 10 tries, you're gonna have 1 miss. But what I don't like about it, maybe a letdown for some of you, is there's no audio control, volume control. You can't decrease or increase the volume. Unfortunately, I already had a few different earbuds which didn't have this function for $50 price tag. But maybe it's possible to add it in the future if they have their own application. So far, I don't know, because I just started obviously doing reviews of this brand, EKSA brand. But for now, I'm very satisfied. Let's go now immediately test the audio. Let's go. Okay, we are back, guys. I just paired my earbuds with my ROG5 smartphone. So we're going to do this review with the smartphone itself, the ROG5. Anyway, this is how they look like in my ear channels. And the medium-sized caps already pre-installed in the box fit very nicely normally in my ears. They don't fall or something like this, and they are staying here already 5 minutes, something like that. So easy, no problems whatsoever. So let's play it, guys. Let's do this audio review. Simple touch here, and it's gonna play it back. Another simple touch is gonna resume, like I showed you at the beginning. But let's play it now. Using the audio player, default audio player. Loud, they are loud. Very clean, very clean. Very clean earbuds, guys, very clean. I'm gonna also do a little bit of the noise cancellation, but have it in mind that they don't have an ANC active noise cancellation technology in their features, and even the specs. I checked everything on their site. They don't advertise this, guys. Some earbuds advertise them, don't have them, and some earbuds obviously advertise them, and they do actually have a real actual ANC. While these ones, they don't advertise it, so I didn't even see it in the list on the specs like that. But we're gonna still retest a little bit, check the noise cancellation. Anyway, guys, beautiful. Now we're gonna jump to YouTube a little bit. Let's jump to the YouTube. Very nice. So what can I tell you quickly? Obviously, I don't need to spend half hour just listening to them. They are very balanced earbuds, guys. Really nice, good, obviously, volume of the sound coming out. They're loud enough. Don't think that they're quiet at all. But for 50 bucks, I can't say that they're the loudest one. So if you care just about the loudness mainly about the loudness of your earbuds, maybe for 50 bucks you could find something better. But they are very well balanced. There's a bit of the bass there, a bit of the treble, a lot of the cleanliness. I can tell you that these earbuds have very clean sound. I love that about them. And also the richness of the 360 degrees stereo sound. So left and right channel connect all together. They give you a little bit of the beautiful 3D sound effect, and I love it. I love it. This is seriously very beautiful. So yeah, guys, so far I'm satisfied what I'm seeing right now with this audio player mode, with these earbuds. Now we're gonna jump to the gaming mode. But what can I tell you immediately right now? What I'm not satisfied. I'm satisfied about one thing, that you can basically, from the earbuds itself, you can turn them off. They're long press and they're gonna turn off, guys, or long press and they're gonna turn on. But unfortunately, they don't have the function of putting volume down or up, and also they don't have a function of going back or forward regarding with the songs or with the YouTube videos. They don't have this option, this feature. I don't know, is this able to do with the future update with the application there, if they have an application or something like this. Anyway, so these are the pros and the cons so far what I noticed about these earbuds. Let's go now and jump with the gaming. Oh, before that, whoa, almost forgot. Let's check the noise cancellation. Let's go. I'm having in the background, and you probably can hear by yourself, a very loud New York street noises with the rain. Okay, guys, on maximum volume, a little bit I can hear the noises in the background, in environment noises, which is again very impressive, very impressive. But if I put the sound at 50-60%, I can hear more noises from the background, which is again normal. It is normal. Let me just put it here. And I'm having these noises on the background on the different smartphones. They are very loud. I put it in the maximum volume, but it's just next to my head, maybe 30 centimeters, guys. You can see it over here. Here we go. Just 30-40 centimeters away. So I have to admit that they don't have advertised ANC, but they do kill noises in the background at the maximum volume, guys. I barely can hear these kind of normal sounds or something like this. Especially from outside, I can't hear anything from outside. But again, for the indoor use, if you're going to be in a suburb or something like this where there are heavy traffics and heavy noises, of course you're going to hear it, because these are 50 bucks. They're not $100 or those over-ear headphones or something like that. Anyway, let's go jump to the gaming side for the end. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Anyway, guys, what I'm seeing right now here, and I basically experienced by myself that indeed they have a low latency here feature, and I'm satisfied by the performance here and the sound quality altogether. The most important thing, obviously, in the gaming is that the sound is not that late, man. Especially because you're using the Bluetooth feature, not the wired, obviously, headphones. And again, that's it. Beautiful. So yes, I do recommend it. As for the gaming earbuds, they are really decent earbuds for 50 bucks, guys. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, and please make sure to follow my YouTube channel for more. I hope I'm gonna have opportunity to review more of the obviously EKSA earbuds from this brand. Till next time, have a great day. Peace out.